Hi Aries, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for December 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use these oracle decks that I have here. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December 2021, we have the Two of Wands. Possibly, you were deliberating about your future. Maybe money had created issues, or you may have felt demotivated because money wasn't as per your expectations. Maybe some of you were also worried whether your client or your patron would have approved of your work. Nonetheless, I think surprises were in store for you. Maybe you had issues with your mother also, which you need to sort out. This period, I believe, was also marked by reunions. Maybe you were also somebody who wanted to declutter a bit. Obstacles to overcome this month of December, we have the Ace of Pentacles. I think you need to hold your tongue, Aries. Maybe there are times when you could be quite temperamental or moody. Maybe money issues could also crop up again. Though there are going to be opportunities to make gains, I think you should also be careful. Possibly Aries, you need to keep your chin up, you need to be patient. Influences for this month, we have the Five of Pentacles. You see this person here, he seems to be all by himself, so maybe there are times when you feel that your pockets aren't too deep. I think Aries, you should let go of something which isn't yours because that will give you peace of mind. Maybe you're also being asked to be transparent with respect to financial matters. Maybe some people could question your motives. It would also help if you would be clear with respect to communication as well. Maybe you're unwilling to take charge. That is why this could create discord within the family. Aries, you should also be prepared because this December your routine could be disrupted. Maybe you feel there's no system and order. Sometimes, we don't get the information that we desire with respect to the tasks at hand. So that means that there is no system and order. In case, Aries, you're expecting your employer to renew your contract, I think this month there's a high chance that he could do so. Other than that, I think malfunctioning gadgets could also defer your plans. The first 10 days of December, we have the Moon card from the Major Arcana. Possibly, there could be confusion, and that is why you may be quite tensed or you may be plagued by uncertainty. For many of you, there's a high possibility that there could be two options before you. Maybe you're also going to be asked to contribute towards the family purse. I think this is not the best time to look for better job opportunities. Maybe there are also going to be outstation work offers, but then they may not excite you, or perhaps you aren't willing to relocate. Even if you're working, I think Aries, this period could be marked by intense communication. Maybe you're unwilling to work with a colleague because you feel that this person is unclear or his work is haphazard. That means that you have to redo the work, or he doesn't have a professional attitude. That is why you may be unwilling to budge. Nevertheless, I think Aries, you need to persist with your goals. The next 10 days of December, we have the Knight of Swords. I think this is the time when you will have to be prepared to sail with the changes. You have to adapt, make adjustments. The Knight is in an adventurous mode. He's somebody who's always moving forward and onward, and this is the energy which is propelling you to greater heights. Appreciation is also going to come in for your creative talent. Aries, you should also be prepared because you may be perturbed on account of your boss who doesn't seem to have concrete plans. I think you want somebody who is quite practical when it comes to professional matters, but your boss could be somebody who is ambiguous, and this can be quite frustrating. In case you're in the leadership position, I think Aries, you have to deal with sluggish workers. I think you are going to blow hot and cold because even though you delegate responsibilities, the tasks are not done. For some of you, it's also possible that clients could air their grievances against you, so that is why you need to be a bit careful. The final days of December, that is 21st to 31st December, we have the Eight of Wands. This is the Wands energy, which is bringing in opportunities for you. Maybe there are going to be some good news in the mail, so check your mail for that job opportunity. For some of you, travel could also be on the cards, or you may be making those travel plans this time. Like I said, you need to be careful with respect to financial transactions. Maybe your superior or somebody who is observing you feels that you're not living within the boundaries, or that there's something fishy with the way you carry on with the task. Possibly in this time also there could be gossip, Aries. So you should be careful whom you interact with. As the saying goes, those who gossip with you will gossip about you. With respect to legal matters, Aries, I'm picking up that there could be delay, so you should bide your time. Maybe you feel that the legal is prolonging your case. With respect to your love life, Aries, we have this card. Is it possible to forgive and forget? Possibly some of you are dealing with a one-sided romance where feelings aren't reciprocated. Maybe you feel that it's time to let go. That is why there was this card, Moon here, which talks about confusion with respect to matters of the heart as well. Or maybe because of this Five of Pentacles, you may feel as though you have been let down by this person. For some of you, it's also possible that you want to come clean about the romance. You want to discuss things openly with family elders, but then your partner may be hesitant. Maybe this person wants the romance to be a secret. You're going to be temperamental as well, so that is why it's possible that there could be disagreements with your beloved. Some miscommunication is quite likely. I think, Aries, you're also dealing with choices in love, because there's a possibility that someone from your past could re-enter. Maybe this person is quite adventurous and he wants to get that second chance from you. That is why you're questioning him whether it is easy for you to forgive and forget for what's happened in the past. Maybe you feel that this person is always reappearing in your life from nowhere, so you don't know what to make out of it. Nevertheless, I think romancing, Aries, I think your person wants to sweep you off. Maybe this person is insecure as well. Perhaps he feels that you have options before you. You could return to your ex as well. Maybe the two of you are also traveling, or you may be making those travel plans. This is the holiday season, so you could be deliberating about that as well. I think in case you're already married, I think maybe you could accuse your person of being inattentive, or infidelity could also be an issue here for some, Aries. Maybe you should appreciate your partner more than ever rather than carp about the little things. Some, Aries, I think you could be in an unhappy connection, so domestic violence could also be an issue for you. Other than that, I'm also picking up that there could be unwanted attention coming your way. Single, Aries, I think the opportunities are there for you to mingle with the opposite sex this month, especially towards the latter half of the month. Interestingly, the universe is also asking you to take care of your family, to look into the needs of your family elders, or perhaps even in a love connection, you need to put your family's needs also before you. Maybe there are certain family limitations which could come into play this month. Earlier in this reading, we did talk about your family elders expecting you to contribute, or they expect you to take responsibility. So maybe you should pay attention to that as well. Or perhaps some of you also have plans to settle down this month, or you're making those plans about the future with your beloved. The last card in this reading is Power Animal from the Angel Therapy deck. Your animal spirit guide is a guardian to you and is helping you with the situation. Messages could be coming in, or there could be signs around you from animals. Maybe you will understand which animal is your spirit guide or your spirit animal. I think they're going to communicate with you, or they're trying to reach out to you. So you should listen with your heart and inner ear without judgment. Aries, maybe you should also work with animals because it's going to heal your soul this month. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.